So in this video, I'm going to talk about using the law of cosine for finding the missing lengths, which is in this case BC right over here. And here's the law of cosine formula that we learned last time. And a squared right over here should be always the missing sides or missing angles. But a is obviously if it's a side, it should be always the opposite side of the given angle, which is in this case BC. So if you apply this law of cosine formula to this triangle, and we can solve the length of BC. And let's solve it. It is a squared, so I'll just leave a squared because we don't know the value right now. Is equal to b squared. B squared, I will just call this length B, and I will call this length C. B squared, which is equal to 13 squared, plus C squared, which is equal to 6 squared, minus 2 times 13 times 6, which is 2 times B times C, times cosine of theta, which we can replace it into the angle 91 degrees. And if you simplify more, this equation will gonna give us, let's see, negative 2 times 13 is equal to negative 26. Negative 26 times 6 is equal to negative 156, sorry. And it will gonna be equal to a squared is equal to 13 squared plus 6 squared minus 556 times cosine of 91. And we can take square of it in order to remove square to find the a, and we're gonna be left with a is equal to the square root of 13 squared, which is just going to be equal to, if you just find the 13 times 13, it's going to be equal to 169 plus 36 minus 156 times cosine of 91. It will gonna be equal to, if it I already calculated this expression right over here, this right over here, this expression will gonna be equal to 14.4125 on and on and on. So I'll put this right over here. Oh, something wrong. Okay. It's we don't have space, so I'll just put this like that. Or I can just put this, not only numbers, right over here, and I'm going to erase this. Okay. So the answer is approximately like this, but it is kind of infinite number because it will keep going on and on and on. And so if we round it nearest hundredths place to it is kind of approximation value, and we're gonna left with a is approximately 14.4 and 1. And this was our answer. So we can say that the a value of the BC is approximately 14.41. And we use the law of cosine to find the length of BC, which is this side, and we could apply this equation to this triangle. We could got the answer that BC right over here is approximately 14.41, and we are done.